Alright, welcome into my computer. In this presentation, I'll be going over a simple checklist that is used to earn $200 a day and make money online with no website. By the end of this, you will learn the details of what to do. Let's begin. Of course, I'll have to give you a disclaimer. The results vary. I use this information as purposes only. The results are up to you. I am not guaranteeing your result. I am, however, sharing what works. Use this as informational purposes only. Alright, so here you go. The first thing you want to do is you want to sign up with a platform of your choice. Pinterest, Facebook, etc. Then you want to sign up with PayPal. This is how you actually get paid. The money gets transferred into an account on PayPal, and then eventually you transfer it over to your bank account and you can use it and spend it however you want. Have a budget of amount of money for ads if you choose to do ads. Sign up as an affiliate for ClickBank or whatever affiliate program you wish to promote. Promote that product in the niche that you choose, depending on what the product is. Wood burning would be in the wood burning niche. Online marketing or online money making would be in the online business affiliate marketing area. Health would be in the health. You create the content. You either create a pin on Pinterest or a video for YouTube or a pic for Facebook or a product using canva.com. It's totally up to you what you choose to do. Use a non-ClickBank affiliate link, which it would say ClickBank ID inside the URL. And the reason for this is because on certain ads in Facebook, they don't allow you to use a ClickBank URL, anything that says hop link in it. You want to create an ad on a platform and only for search. When they search for the niche product. So you want to make sure that when you create an ad that it is only for search, that you want to see results. So when they type in a search word, that's when the ad pops up to them. You want to repeat for each product you want to promote. This method works to where you don't have to have a website. Here's the simple method. Choose a platform. Choose a product, choose a way of promoting it on those platforms, or one platform is what I recommend. Get paid when someone buys through your link. You can go by free method or you can go by paid. The choice is up to you. That's it for this.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm curious, what made you click this thumbnail and watch this video? Was it the thumbnail? Was it the description? Was it curiosity? Please leave a comment below. I greatly appreciate your feedback. Thank you.
Remember to click the link below for my free ebook of proven successful steps. Be good to others, because God has been good to you. Until the next one, take care.